All right, folks, we are going to replace the trigger on a, let me try to lighten this thing up here. The trigger on a Magnum 100L belongs to a Lincoln Welder, which is a Easy MIG 140. All right, now I've never done this before. I'm not a welder. I know very little about welding. And what I do know is it can be dangerous. I know that much. But yeah, so it is raining, and I have put everything in the trailer, the tool and material trailer, the work trailer, and that way you keep it out of the rain. But anyway, we're going to replace it, at least try to. I don't even know if this is the right one. We're going to find out together, and I've never done this before. I watched one video on a fella who twisted this thing like one direction or the other. He twisted it, and then he pried it up, and that's what we're going to try. It gave him access into here, but I don't see where that'll do that for me. And so I may be able to twist bottom and top and then open this thing up, because I can't see where I would put this in there any other way. I don't see how I can get it in there. Like I say, I know nothing about a welder, and so, you know, you can make fun of me or whatever, but it just doesn't matter. This is, in my videos, they're real time. There is no redoing on some of these. There is no editing. It just is what it is. So we're going to learn together. All right, so I twisted it one way, and that was that way. All right, I do have a prying tool. This is a window glazing tool, but it has a nice wide dilly whopper. Oh, looky there. It's not the best lighting, but I'm sorry, it's the best I can do. All right, so yeah, you can see what we've got here, or can you? Man, this stinks. How we don't have any light. I'll tell you, hang on, we're just gonna get wet. How about that? Let's just get wet. We'll do it down here. Can we? All right, folks. And so you see what we have here. Yeah. It's got them little things right there. So this will go back on, and we'll line it up to this groove, the little Dumaflachi, and we'll stick it on and twist it, and that's how it comes off. Let's set it over here where we can lose it. All right, let's do it again. One way or the other. Let's try this way. All right, let's try to pry it off if I can find my thing. My window glazing tool. Oh, that's gonna work. I just stick it in the crack. Do like that. So it'll take a minute, just be patient. It's a tight fit. There we go. Same deal. All right, let's see if we can spread this apart, and we can. So we got to be careful. It's wet down here. I got water everywhere. Let's try to get her. Well, why don't we do the smartest thing and just put it in here and twist it? Well, that was kind of smart, huh? Well, that was using the old noggin. Oh, look inside there, folks. Huh? Look at that. Huh? How you like me now, huh? Yeah, professional. Professional. All right, folks, so this is what I got to put in there. And even if it's the wrong one, I'm still going to make the video and tell you that it's the wrong one. So I don't know if it's right or wrong. All right, so I'm going to say that it goes, like so. Hang on. I'm going to say that it goes like so. No, Mike, it's going to have to go like this. All right, so here's how it's going to go in there, like that. Right? What the heck is going on? All right, so let's layer in right there. It's going to have to be like, am I doing it wrong, folks? What? All right, hang on a minute. Yeah, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. All right, so I see a little deal here that's for my spring. Huh? Yeah, totally doing it wrong. What an idiot. All right, so I'm going to, watch me now. I'm going to put that in there, right there. The spring goes right there. And there's a little hole here. I know you can't see, but there's a little hole. And then there's these doomie-flotchies on the end. I see the little round doomie-flotchet. And we're going to just stick our spring in here. And we're going to put that little doomie-flotchy in the hole. Is that what you call that? A doomie-flotchy? Okay, it snapped. I don't know if you could hear it. It snapped in. And then we got a groove right there on the black part. And see this thing here? Yeah, that doomie-flotchy, it has it on both sides. We're going to set that on the other side in the groove. In the groove. Yeah. All right, so now, man, I got to sit down. Oh, mercy. All right, so now, man, it's starting to get all wet. Let's just set this back on there, like so. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna work. All right, so this is a little difficult. So you need an actual bench. No, not, yeah, you need a bench. I wasn't cussing. Bench, B-E-N-C-H, not, you know. Come on now. Watch me, folks. Watch and learn how not to do it. Oh, bingo. Check it out. How you like me now? Check that out. Now look. This is going to go up. It's got a little doomie-flotchy in there. You can't see it now. And we're going to hang on. Let me stop, and I'm going to clean off this thing just in case you're getting wet. Hang on. I got to find me a Kleenex. Sorry. Oh, mercy. Now, that was a snot rag. So I hope you don't mind a little bit of snot. So we got this. We got the little slot, and we're going to put our doomie-flotchy that's on here in that slot, and then we're going to twist it. Okay, I know you can understand what I'm saying. It's going to be hard too. This ain't easy, folks. This ain't easy. Push it, get it all the way up there where you can't hardly see the crack, and then give her a twist, folks. Give her a twist. Let's take these things here, channel locks, folks, and just tighten her up, which we didn't even have to. Look at that. Man, that is brand new, folks. Brand new. A brand new trigger on that beast. And I was going to go buy a whole one of these, a 10-foot or 15-foot cord, and, you know, this deal here, the gun. Same deal. Same deal. See it? See?
Now looky there. Look at that, folks. Huh? Dudes and duets. Alright. Man, you people didn't have any confidence in me whatsoever. What? I guess you've seen these old hands. And these old hands get lotion on every night. And oh, that just went right on, Jake. Reason why is because, man, if I didn't, they would be so dry I wouldn't be able to use them. Oh, folks, what the heck? That took 10 minutes. You know it did. It took 10 minutes. My goodness. My goodness. All right. And that is a, man, I got it right here. That is a Magnum 100L. Huh? And that is on my little 140. Lincoln Easy MiG 140. Dude, if I'd known that was that easy, oh man, I'd have done that a long time ago. Well, you seen it. You seen it. And here's the thing, I thought something happened to this. I'm not real sure. Yeah, I'm not sure about all that. What is this? Hey, listen, if you... So, I don't know anything about Welder, so comment for me. And what is this thing right here? It's something the wire comes through, but it looks like it got broke off a little bit. I mean, what am I going to do there? Take this off. I mean, what? Is that going to be okay? Like that? Take a peek. Anyway, folks, so yeah. Now, I don't use gas with this thing because I don't know anything about all that. But I'm fixing to crank her up. Not today, but we're going to be using her. Anyway, folks, we'll see you.